kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Violet, yellow, purple, orange, black, brown, green, sky blue, blue, light green, red and pink color. Let's start. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's trace A. This is letter A. Now kids, we are tracing letter B. This is letter B. Now kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter C. Now kids, we are tracing letter D. D. Green color. This is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. This is letter F. This is letter G. G. Now kids, we are tracing letter H. This is letter I. I. This is letter J. Now kids, we are tracing letter K. K. This is letter L. L. We are tracing letter M. This is letter M. Now kids, we are tracing letter N. This is letter N. Kids, we are tracing letter O. This is letter P. We are tracing letter Q. And this is letter R. Now kids, we are tracing letter S. This is letter T. And this is letter U. Now we are tracing letter V. And this is letter W. And this is letter X. We are tracing letter Y. And this is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.